Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast. My name is Brian Naftali Kupasa. You can call me Brian, and I'm from TI 4509. In this podcast, I'm not alone, but we have two guests here. The first guest is Matthew.
Hello, my name is Matthew Delivio Prayer Kalua. You can call me Matthew, and I'm from class TI 4509.
Okay, hello Matthew, welcome to the podcast. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great. And for the next guest, we have Rofi. Hello Rofi.
Hello everyone and hello Brian. My name is Rafi Dozari. You can call me Rafi. I'm from the same class as Brian and Matthew. First, thank to Brian for inviting me on this podcast.
You're welcome Rofi. Okay, for this podcast, we're gonna talk about hobby, interest, and talent. First, we're gonna talk about hobbies. I want to ask Rofi first. Do you have any hobbies, Rofi?
To be honest, my hobby is cycling. I almost cycling every morning, but since coronavirus become more dangerous, I stopped my cycling routine.
Oh, that's a nice hobby. I think cycling is good for your health too, right? But I feel bad for you because now you can do your hobby more than before. I hope this pandemic is over and you can do your hobby more, Rofi.
Yes, I agree.
So how about you, Matthew? Do you have any hobby?
Yes, I have a hobby. My hobby is sports, especially running. But now I will run because I'm so busy. So I only run once a week. So how about you, Brian? Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, my hobby is playing drums. I like playing drum because I have found it interest since I was in elementary school. Besides that, I think playing drums is an energetic thing to do, so I like it.
Wow, that's a really cool hobby, Brian.
Thank you, Rofi. So you both like sport as a hobby. That's nice. Now let's talk about some interests that you have. First, I want to ask Rofi. Rofi, do you have any interest?
Of course, I'm very interested in discussing business because I want to be a businessman, but I don't have enough capital and don't know what business I want to do.
Oh, that's interesting, Rofi. I think that's a good start to do something you are interested, which is business. My advice is that you have to learn more about business, like join seminar or read a business book to know more about business. Okay, so how about you, Matthew? Do you have any interest?
I personally invest in technology because I want to learn more about technology. It's also because I feel a bit lacking in using technology at this time, such as laptops, cell phones, and the others.
That's cool, Matthew. In my opinion, technology will be needed in the future. With an interest in technology, I think you will have a lot of chances to invent something new or find a job.
What at that? Before talking about another topic, by the way, Brian, do you have any interest about anything?
Oh, of course, Rofi. I have interest in history and culture of any country. I think the culture differences in our world are interesting to learn, and history has a value that looks interesting too. Okay, so for our last topic, which is talent, I'm sure you guys have a talent that has been in yourself. Do you guys have any interest? Starting with you, Matthew.
Of course, I think the talent I have is in sports because I can play more than one sport.
Which sport is it, Matthew?
Example include badminton, volleyball, table tennis, swimming, and others.
Wow, you're such a talented person, especially in sport. Okay, how about you, Rofi?
I'm not very talented, but I can play a traditional instrument musical like gamelan and angklung. I started to like it when I was elementary school, and I always hone it.
Oh, that's cool, Rofi. I like people who preserve our culture. I wish you can continue practicing your talent and introduce our culture to other countries.
Yes, I hope I can keep preserving it.
So,
So what about you, Brian? What talent do you think you have?
I'm not really sure about my talent, but since I was a kid, I joined a choir. So I think my talent is singing, especially choir singing. My choir team always get first winner, so maybe I talented in that. Okay, so we just talk about our hobbies, interests, and talents. We have unique and different hobbies, interests, and talent. And I think it is cool because we finally know each other, and it's good for the listener and the viewers for the motivation that they can conclude by hearing our podcast. Okay, well, that is for our podcast. Thank you so much for hearing, and I hope this podcast means something to all the viewers and the listeners. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you.